It's a good night for a fire. Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Dave. This is GVA, Ghetto Van Adventures. And, yeah, having a little fire. Having an adult beverage also. I don't usually have adult beverages all that much these days. But, you know what? Tonight, it's kind of cold. It's like minus 12. I thought, I'm going to have a nice fire. So I cooked a soup on the fire. And that was really good, actually. And I just thought, you know what, I'm just going to sit back and take it easy tonight, relax and enjoy myself, because soon it's going to be summertime and nice and hot, and I'll be able to do this all the time, and I just love a fire. I don't know what it is. Spring and fall is my special favorite time of year to do it. But, you know, how do you get away from not enjoying a fire? So, guys, I just want to give you a quick update on what's going on. Just enjoying myself before I head out, and the weather hasn't been that nice the last little while because it has been windy like none other. This is the first kind of night that hasn't been windy, so that's why I'm having a fire. The last couple nights, if I lit a fire, I'd light half of Ontario on fire. It'd just blow all over the place. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna sit back, enjoy myself. You guys take care. Please be safe on the road.